HGR Industrial Surplus. A great employer for a great employee. What is a great employee? Someone who takes pride in what they do, no matter what they do. Someone who is dedicated. They understand what needs to be done and they do it to the best of their ability every single day. Well, what does a great employer look like? A company that provides free health benefits for the employee and a great rate for their family. A company with competitive wages that acknowledges how hard you work. So, are you tired of waiting for an opportunity to come to you and you need to hit the ground running and get to work today? Apply at hgrinc.com now and take that first step.